Okay, hello and welcome from the Rosewood Hong Kong Hotel. I'm just going to give you a tour of my Grand Harbour View room 3101 on the 31st floor, but before I do, check out the corridor. I'm a bit breathless from the gym, sorry, but what's interesting about the corridor is obviously space in Hong Kong is at such a premium, and then they have these colossal corridors with all this empty recreational lounging space. Just gives you a sense of how lavish and extravagant this property is. Anyways, onwards into the room. So we're in Kowloon, just across from Hong Kong Island. There's a great view, but first I'll just take you into the wardrobe area. Ignore me. This is the most mirrored room I've probably ever been in. So I'm trying not to show myself, which is difficult. You've got your Japanese style toilet in there. This is the very slick, fancy bathroom. When I checked in, the butler told me that people hire these rooms specifically to take lots of pictures of themselves in the bathroom for some reason. Anyways, you have got a dual shower here. There's another one right over my head. Toiletries are by a brand called Vodery, apparently a British brand. I hadn't heard of it. Dual sinks over there. It is very gutsy, and this really big tub. So quite romantic. Let's see, I'm going to take you back out through the corridor. Safes over there. There I am again. This is the walkway into the room itself proper. There is your very comfy bed. Lighting controls right beside it and power points on either side. More storage here. Huge TV, more storage there. You additionally have this really nice cocktail stand with some pre-made cocktails. They're chargeable. A bar book and some other cocktail paraphernalia there. Your little side table here with the chaise lounge sofa thing, and that is directly facing your fantastic view of Victoria Harbour and on to the peaks behind. So there you have it. Very quick tour. I ran through it. I didn't want to be seeing all the reflections of the Grand Harbour View room category at Rosewood Hong Kong in Kowloon.